I am Ravi Kumar Sadzoda. I am a computer scientist by profession. I work in University of California, San Diego as a research scientist. I have a PhD in computer science and engineering. I have done so many programs with Swamiji since 2006, but this particular Inner Awakening, this is such a special program for me and for so many of us who have been attending, mainly because this particular Inner Awakening is happening in Varanasi. That's such a powerful energy center, such a powerful energy pilgrimage center that this place is known for. The different processes that we have been part of in this Inner Awakening, I just can't describe in words. There are many experiences that one goes through during Inner Awakening, and just to name a few, one of the most profound experiences that I had was the death process that he takes us through. And this place, being the place of Kalabhairava, Varanasi is known to be the place where people come to leave their body, to merge with that ultimate consciousness, where Mahadeva himself liberates people. And in this place, when we are going through that whole death process, it makes it even more special for all of us who are attending Varanasi Inner Awakening. The process that he took us through, it was, I can't even put that in words. The moment he said, your legs are freezing, your legs are dying, your feet are dying, your thighs are dying, each part of your body is dying, I could experience that literally as if the whole process, the whole death process is happening to each and every part of my body. And at one point he says, that's it, you have left it, you have left the body. And that moment, it is, you can just see that the body is lying down there, and then you are experiencing that's the whole conscious process of death, which so many masters have described, masters like Ramana Maharshi, so many people have described the whole process of death. He makes each one of us, the 300 odd people that were there in the hall, each one of us experience the same process of death. And it was such a liberating feeling that I had when he says that, that's it, you are dead now, and your body is burning into ashes. It's such a liberating feeling, because you see that you are not bound by this body anymore. You are not bound by these mental patterns, these physical patterns that you associate with this mind and body. You are just out of that body, and you see that, oh God, you have been fighting with this body, you have been fighting with this mind for so long, and it is just going to go away in just a moment's time. And that whole realization dawns on us, and we come out of any kind of vengeance or any kind of irritation, frustration that we may be having within us, because we associate so many things that are happening around us with this mind and body. So that's a beautiful experience that everyone must go through. As a human being, if we don't experience the death process, we really are missing something. And the death process happening in my most revered city, that is Varanasi, the place where Shiva himself liberates people at the time of their death. Kalabhairava himself takes people out from people through the conscious process of death. That whole death process happening to me in the presence of an incarnation, Swamiji sitting in front of us, incarnation of Mahadeva himself sitting in front of us and taking us through that process, it's even more special to me.